Alright, so what we're going to do now is called an exclusion mode, and what that does is actually factory resets your device. So if you're having problems pairing it to SmartThings, you can go ahead and run this exclusion mode. So how to do that through the hub is by clicking on or opening up your app, clicking on the three lines at the top left. You'll click on devices, then you're going to search for hub, and then choose your hub. And then once you're in the hub menu, you click on the three dots at the top right, Z-Wave Utilities. Wait for this menu to load. And then you're going to hit Z-Wave Exclusion. What that's going to do is actually put your hub in exclusion mode so that your switch can now talk to it and factory reset. So now I've done that. We're going to hit this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you'll notice that it pulsed blue first, which means that it's active, and then it turned green. So green is successful. It means it's successfully excluded. As you can see on the device, it also says, on the app, it also says that it's been deleted. So we're good to go there. So now you can go ahead and pair it to your hub now that it's factory reset.